All right, let's talk about how you can get formulas to automatically add to new rows in Excel. So in this example, we have a simple list of data. We have some numbers in columns B through E, and then at the end of that row is just adding all of those numbers together. Now, if we were to enter in some more data here and type in another row, we'll notice that that formula doesn't get added automatically. So we'll have to click and drag that formula down to copy it. Now, if we were to add one more row of data, we'll notice that the formula was automatically added for some reason. And the reason being is because there are more than 3 rows of data with that formula. After you have 4 rows entered with a formula at the end of that row, that formula will get added automatically to the next row that you input. So if I were to add another row here and hit enter, that's going to automatically calculate once again. Now, if I select this row and I right click to insert a row above it, we'll notice that there are only 2 rows. So if I enter in more data here, it's not going to automatically update. Whereas if we inserted the row after 4 rows, so say here, and we add more data once again, then it's automatically going to add that formula. And that's just kind of how Excel works. Once you have more than 3 or you have 4 or more rows of data with that formula will just be added automatically after that for each new row. And there you have it. That's how you can get formulas to get added automatically to new rows in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.